Yeah, you are right. Some of the protesters, they gathered inside the sea hexagon and then they tried to cross the barricade that we have closed for the moment. But they did not listen and they broke the barricade, came on the sea hexagon, sat on the road for around 1 hour. They were sitting on the road. We requested them that many of the ambulances and the medical people are behind them and they required the emergency movement, but they did not listen and the people were also getting agitated. I saw that many of the persons were coming and talking to them and getting agitated, looking into the possible scenario of a possible scuffle and the blockade of the sea hexagon, which is a main road. So we removed them and toward from the sea hexagon main road inside the Kartavya Path, so that the no traffic jam is taking place. While removing them, many of the protesters scuffled with the police, male and female both, and many of our personnel also got injured in that case. However, I request that they should never block the road and public inconvenience should not be caused.
You are all requesting along with the protesters to leave the road and get it vacant. So after that, we are also getting an input that a chili spray was used on the police personnel, sir. He is admitted to our RML hospital now.
Yeah, it's true. We requested many a time. Just I said that they were blocking the road for around 1 hour. We requested them multiple times that they should not block the road. They should not block the sea hexagon, which is a main movement path. And they're looking in the evening time. It's a main movement for the people to go around and connect the area. However, when I saw that many of the ambulances and people were behind that and they were facing difficulties, they were getting agitated. So we had to remove that. By removal, they not only use the force and violence against the police personnel, but also we also first time come across that they used chili spray against the police personnel, and few of our police personnel got the spray on their face and the eyes, and they are getting treatment in the RML hospital, and we are taking legal action on that.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Grateful.
सर करीबन 1 घंटे तक आज सी हेक्सागन जाम रहा। AQI को लेकर के आज तमाम बड़ी संख्या में यहाँ पर प्रोटेस्टर्स दिखाई दिए, पुलिस के साथ भी झड़प दिखाई दी सर।
कुछ प्रोटेस्टर इनिशियली लगभग 50 के लगभग थे, उनके बाद में कुछ प्रोटेस्टर्स में चले गए। लगभग 30 के लगभग प्रोटेस्टर्स ने हमारी बार बार रिक्वेस्ट के बावजूद उन्होंने बैरिकेड तोड़ा और सी हेक्सागन को जाम किया। लुकिंग इनटू दैट, हमने उनसे काफ़ी बार रिक्वेस्ट की कि देखिए सी हेक्सागन जाम करने से काफ़ी जो पीछे एम्बुलेंस हैं, मरीज हैं जिनको इमरजेंसी है, उनके मूवमेंट में बाधा उत्पन्न हो रही है। काफ़ी रिक्वेस्ट करने के बाद में भी लगभग 1 घंटे बाद में भी जब वो नहीं हटे और पीछे लोग थे उनके अंदर काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, वो काफ़ी एजिटेटेड हो रहे थे। उनमें से कुछ सिविलियन आए भी रहे थे, उनसे बात भी कर रहे थे। तो हमने इसके अंदर देखा कि पॉसिबल एक झड़प का माहौल यहाँ पे हो सकता है, इसलिए उन लोगों को सी हेक्सागन मेन रोड से जहाँ ट्रैफिक में व्यवधान उत्पन्न हो रहा था, उनको रिमूव करके साइड में किया गया। इस रिमूवल के दौरान उनमें से कई लोगों ने पुलिस के ऊपर झगड़ा भी किया, झड़प भी की। पुलिस पर्सनल को भी इसमें चोट आई, मेल और फीमेल दोनों पुलिस पर्सनल को। इस विषय पर निश्चित ही हम लीगल एक्शन भी ले रहे हैं।
कुछ चिली स्प्रे जैसा पदार्थ यूज किया गया जिससे कुछ कांस्टेबल्स को RML अस्पताल में ट्रीटमेंट लेना पड़ रहा है सर, ऐसा कुछ सब्सटेंस इस्तेमाल किया गया?
जी, आज हमने देखा कि प्रोटेस्टर्स जो है चिली स्प्रे अपने साथ लेके आए थे। जब इनको रिमूव कर रहे थे तो पुलिस को दूर रखने और अपने सी हेक्सागन को कंटिन्यूसली बंद रखने के लिए उन्होंने पुलिस के ऊपर चिली स्प्रे का इस्तेमाल किया। इसमें कुछ हमारे पुलिस पर्सनल की आंखों में और चेहरे पे चिली स्प्रे लगा, जिनको हमने RML भेजा है और इस विषय में निश्चित ही हम एक लीगल एक्शन भी इसके अंदर लेंगे और ये एक एक्शन जो है वो नॉन टॉलरेबल है।
बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Actually, we want clean air. We want clean air. I am from Western UP and I have checked my AQI, hometown AQI, and it shows 393, my hometown. It is in Western UP, where they're all around fields and greenery all over there. But when I checked the AQI of Kalkaji, it shows 382. How it is possible? My hometown shows 393 and Kalkaji shows 382. How is it possible? It means Delhi is clearer than my hometown. This is not possible. We don't want fake datas. We want reality. We want to show Delhi people that we are living in hell, and we are here because we want clean air, and that's why we all are here. Thank you.
I'm not from any organization. I'm an individual. I'm not associated with an organization. I'm from Delhi University. I'm a student here. I live in Delhi. And we've organized one such protest on 9 November this year only, this month. This was their response then also. Nothing is happening. The AQI in Delhi is worsening every single day. And this is something that happens every year. While our Chief Minister is putting AQI in her offices and the offices of our ministers, the people of Delhi are dying. And this is happening every year, and they cease to take any action. Our demands are immediate declaration of an environment agency, of an environment emergency across the city. One of our other demands is to strengthen public transport. We see that there is a hike in metro prices also. Just do not lower the hike, make it free for women but for all the people. Public transport is our fundamental right. It is our right. We pay taxes for it. But our Chief Minister chooses to make it more expensive while pollution is worsening every single year. These are our demands, and I'm not from any organization. You do not have to be from any organization to protest against the air pollution. This is happening every year and every government, and this year BJP came to power after AAP served in Delhi. One of their major promises was to reduce air pollution, and they've done nothing about it. And not just that they've done nothing about it, they continue to manipulate the amount of pollution that there is. There is sprinkling of water around the machines which measure AQI. That is disgusting and inhumane. This government is dehumanizing us. They are criminalizing every form of dissent that there can exist. These officers, they breathe the same air as we do. You breathe the same air as we do. The only person who doesn't breathe the same air is the Chief Minister of the city, who continues to breathe in the air through our money. She's taking air purifiers. The only person who's our one enemy is that Chief Minister, is that woman who chooses to dehumanize us every single day. And that's why I'm here. I'm here for my right to live, which is my fundamental right.
AQI के वर्सन होने पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या कुछ आप लोगों के डिमांड्स हैं?
दिल्ली में जो AQI के राइजिंग लेवल्स हो रहे हैं, चाहे AQI 1000 के पार जा रहा हो या फिर 2023 में 17,000 लोग मर रहे हो, इतना ज्यादा एयर पोल्यूशन होने की वजह से सिर्फ दिल्ली में, इसमें हम सब देखते हैं कि इसका रीजन इंपीरियलिस्ट डेवलपमेंट मॉडल है, प्रॉफिट ड्रिवन डेवलपमेंट मॉडल है. ये जनता का डेवलपमेंट मॉडल नहीं है, और हमको जनता का डेवलपमेंट मॉडल लाने की जरूरत है. जो माओइस्ट बीजापुर में लेकर आए हैं, जो माओइस्ट बस्तर में लेकर आए हैं अपने जनता सरकार के थ्रू, वहाँ पर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट किया जाता है. वहाँ पर महुआली तेंदुपत्ता को सस्टेनेबल तरीके से तोड़ा जाता है. वहाँ पर बाहर के जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं उनको अंदर नहीं आने देता है, और वहाँ पर जो फार्मिंग होती है वो कलेक्टिव होती है. हमको वैसी चीज वर्ल्ड ओवर लेकर आनी है, क्योंकि जंगल सिर्फ दिल्ली के नहीं काटे जा रहे, इंडिया के नहीं काटे जा रहे, पूरे भारत के काटे जा रहे हैं.
My demands are firstly to implement work from home. Secondly, for schooling to be online, because in this condition it will only give rise to pulmonary diseases, which is on the rise. And we're here not exactly just protesting against the Delhi government, because this is a bilateral issue combining a lot of state governments, and hence it is our demand that the government stops filtering out data, they stop hiding data, because पहली बात तो वो acknowledge नहीं करते कि air pollution is a real threat to us, air pollution is an actual problem, and unless and until they acknowledge and accept the fact that air pollution is a problem, वो आगे steps नहीं लेंगे, measures नहीं लेंगे.